আজকে যেটা হবে, all of you guys have walked. এখান থেকে Jaya will choose top 4 couples who really walked well. চারজন এমন লোককে, চারটে এমন কাপলকে চুজ করবে যারা খুব ভালো হেঁটেছে, and the most important thing is complementing each other as a pair. That's also something which we looked at. So এই চারটে couple will have the privilege to shoot with Jaya now in Jaya's creations, and সেখান থেকে whoever turns out to be the best, the two, as said, the top two will get the direct entry to the finale, which ideally means that আমাদের next elimination round এই দুজন, even if they're eliminated, will not be a part of that elimination. So they basically sail through to the final. So that is the top two, and that's for her to choose. So I think I'll probably hand it over to these two guys to probably say, the experts, who of you have made to the top 8.
I want to start by saying one thing. Like, I usually scold you and shout at you, but today exactly you guys really did a good job. The whole process, মানে এই activity যে main জিনিসটা ছিল, that how two people can complement each other, যেটা তোমরা করেছো, মানে অনেক কিছু জন করতে পারোনি, বাট বাকিরা সবাই খুব ভালো করেছো. From the day you walked the other day and today, there's a huge difference. So it shows ki tumra onek kichu korecho, you are working, practicing at home. It is showing. So keep this up, because the battle is not over yet. Onekta baki ache. Thank you, Jaya.
Thanks.
Je aaj amaderke help korecho eta korte.
Thanks a lot for coming here, all of you. And it was really great.
But it's a lovely store. I mean,
thanks
beautiful store.
Beautiful store.
আমি একটু কথা বলতে চাই.
আমি তো তোমাকে পড়ে আছি.
আমি
Yes. The thing is, I just want to say one thing. I have seen your work. You are trying very hard to get into it, and he is really working hard. So there should be something come out very well. I've seen people like girls you're walking. Sometimes you do overdo. So don't do overdo. Be very natural. You have to be very natural. If you're not natural, it's on the stage, it will look very different. Just go through something on YouTube and all. Check yourself how the walks are there. Don't do overdo. But I don't want to say who have done and who don't done. But I know they knows. So try to figure out how to cope up on the ramp. which is the most important thing. But I like the you have done all the nice job today. That's what just now Neil said. So
जया तुम्हें तो आगे देखो नहीं हम लोग तो देखे जी
आगे
जैसे हाथ तो
the way he talks is really
and Jessica जब झाड़ दिए तो के हटिए चलो शुक्ति which has paid off.
So when we go to seminar, it was really this girl start crying. So it's not making you cry at least. And I have seen seminar girls also. So here today I'm with Face. So it's a good thing also that I'm tied up with Face now. Also.
Thank you so much. I mean, I must tell these girls and guys, you know, she has worked with a lot of celebrities. I think probably you can see the pictures around, the third of celebrities and few of my favorites. So I'm sure, you know, if you get to work with her, you got to please her by doing a great job. And then you might get in very close with few of your superstars.
This is gonna be your first fashion shoot as such with such a big designer who has, you know, agreed to come on board with us. So just think and pray, maybe you'll be the lucky ones.
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely.
So shall we?
I think Neely order
No.
আমি ওদেরকে বাদ দিতে ভালো কাজ করি এই সব অ্যাওয়ার্ড দিতে তুই ভালো আছিস তুই করে দে
award to দিচ্ছি না
So,
we going to call about
I'll start once, then you take the
Okay.
awards. Okay. I'm bringing the couple once. One first, the girls.
Jazz and Sneha.
You're a really lovely couple.
Congratulations to both of you. So you get an opportunity to shoot with Jaya. So just go in that.
Thank you so much, pleasure.
Next, যেটা আছে যেটা Jaya has liked, Gaurav and Poppy.
Gaurav, you have to work hard.
yeah.
That's the thing.
One thing which I also noticed and I'm discussing
She's
about
very good.
Yeah.
When you're walking, you're complimenting.
The chemistry, yeah.
The chemistry.
That was missing.
যেটা আমি আর নীল নোটিস করলাম গৌরব খুব এফর্ট দিচ্ছে আর তুমি মানে গৌরবকে এমনি পুশ করছো
You were trying to compliment but I expected more of, you know, the way you should compliment him was missing a bit. But still, both of you looked really well, you know, as a pair. But to just try complimenting each other. No
keep
matter
this in mind. Every time when you will be on a ramp, maybe you are not with the person you are used to or you like being hanging out with that person. So that is where your chemistry should show.
You guys look great.
Congratulations. Tanushri and Shubhoshri.
Well, you guys really
আমি একটা কথা বলতে চাই when we were rehearsing আগে I was very disappointed ওরা যেমনি হাঁটছিল আর আমি ওকেও ছিলাম but they really did a good job.
I told you, I mean, you guys were really
Your work
the
was
way
the
you guys
best.
complimented
Both
each
of
other was absolutely stunning.
You guys actually need a hand. All you really work. Like it was the best work.
Yes, your work was very nice actually. And you were complimenting and going with together. That really makes a lot of difference on the ramp.
Congratulations.
Okay.
So the last one, Tushar and Sharna. Okay. So
Tushar, but you need to really work a lot. Because of her, you are in right now. Because she sort of covered up what you were lacking. You are lacking on expression and you are lacking on, walk as well. A lot. But she did such a good job that you look better. And that is what this activity was about. Two people have to complement each other. कि अगर एक थोड़ा कम पड़ रहा है, दूसरा उसको help कर दे. Perfect.
congratulations.
So get ready for the shoot and let's start the shoot.